Drivin Ivan here, checking out a plum crazy beautiful Bentley Azure, and I love the color combination. Definitely a plum or purple. Interior looks very, very nice. Surprised it doesn't have purple piping on the seats, but it does not. It's in pretty good shape, and a little bit of problem on the dash there and little cracks here, but hey, it's an older car, and looks to be from the 80s, late 80s, 90s, early 90s, right in there somewhere. It does have an airbag, so it's probably, like I said, right around 1990. The Bentley grille that you see even today. Check out my review of the Bentley Bentayga. Also the, the Mulsanne Speed that I reviewed. And you can check out my Rolls-Royce Wraith review as well. But this one is very cool. Love the color, and it's just a special car. Any convertible Bentley is special to me, and this one is no exception. Gotta love that grille, which has been copied, of course, by many in the automotive world. But nothing says class like a Bentley with their racing history, and about 100 years of racing history. That blower Bentley from back in the day. And Bentley is the motorsports company, whereas Rolls-Royce is more luxury. It's a different ride, definitely. Each is special in its own way, but there's just something I like about this one. I'm not crazy about all the Bentleys from this era, but this one stands out, and it's just really, really right in this color. So there you have it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Subscribe to me here on YouTube. Check out all my other car reviews. As I said, the Bentley Bentayga, Bentley Mulsanne Speed, Rolls-Royce Wraith, Black Label, and also my disc golf videos, music videos, literal video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game. I'm Drivin Ivan.